welcome to our channel. Today I will give you an overview about the different kind of dance shoes for ballroom and social dances. My name is Chris DC. I'm a former professional dancer from theater as well as a dance teacher for modern, ballet and social dances since many years. Doesn't matter if it's your first pair of dance shoes or in general you're looking for a personal advice, I will give you an overview and maybe some helpful hints. Why do we need dance shoes? We need dance shoes to protect our joints and ligaments while twisting and turning in dancing. That's why I recommend that your dance shoes should fit really tight on your feet and shouldn't be too loosey in general. For training and for going out to party, I recommend a pair of high heels as well as a pair of slippers. Slippers, we come later to it. Let's start with the high heels. For high heels, I recommend to choose a heel between 3.5 to 9.5 centimeters. The reason why, with 3.5 centimeters, your body weight is more on the ball of your feet in the front, and a maximum around 9.5 centimeters. If you go higher, you already need to be quite good in moving on heels. In general, about the shape of the heels, it doesn't matter. You can choose like a really slim stiletto, you can go for a flare form, which is a bit more shaped inside. You can take another one, it's called Latino, it's a bit thicker. This doesn't matter because, as I already said, the main weight is a bit more front, so you don't have that much weight on the heel, so it doesn't matter that much than in other dances. For ballroom and also for social dances, we don't need these heel protectors. Sometimes they offer you this rubber thing around, and actually you don't need that much than for other dances, so I don't recommend to use heel protectors. And in case you need to exchange this, it's not that too expensive to exchange the top part of your heels. The sole of the dance shoes are really important. Most of the dance shoes have leather soles. Some have a rubber sole, but most of them have leather soles in general. But what is important is some of them are flexible and some are not flexible, they are stiff. So if you have a trained feet, or you want to become a really good dancer and you want to train your feet, I recommend to choose a dance shoes which has a flexible sole. But really, you will need to work hard and you will need to work much more to balance on top of these heels. But if you have good trained feet, it's much easier also to present them because you can really point your toes. For ballroom and salsa dancers, I really recommend these for better dancers or dancers who really love to train a lot and want to become a really good dancer. If you say like, I'm fine, but I would like to have a bit more protection, I recommend this kind of, it's called tango form. It's a bit more stiff. It's almost impossible to point your feet inside. It's really holding your feet a bit better, and it's much easier, especially in the beginning, to balance on top of it. In general, it doesn't matter what kind of dance shoes you take. You can take a boot, over-knee boots, you can take an open shoe, whatever you like. Maybe a boots, is holding your ankle a bit better than open shoes. This later is something you need to try on. You need to see what you like, what fits you the best. How to clean your dance shoes. From time to time, maybe after one night or 2-3 evenings doing party, you will need to clean your dance shoes. For this, you will need to have one of these wire brushes, what you get in a typical dance shoe shops or in internet, and then you take your shoes and you need a bit of power, and don't be too kind, and go diagonal from one side, then change to the other side, and brush the sole of the shoes really good. Now, at the end, you should really see that the leather is already like clean again, kind of. And always take care that you brush diagonal, because if you only brush one way, your shoes start to getting a bit more slippery on the dance floor. That's not what we want to. That's why always clean in diagonal. Slippers. It's a must for every dancer to have a pair of slippers. I recommend a simple ballet slipper. Doesn't matter what kind of color you prefer, simple pair of leather ballet slippers is enough. It fits into your purse, it fits wherever you need it, and from time to time, after a long party or while a dance weekend, you will love to go down. If you choose a pair of ballet slippers, or you prefer a jazz shoe like this, which has sometimes also a rubber sole, it's also fine, it works the same. That's a matter of taste. I truly recommend to all of my dance students from time to time to train also in slippers, not only in heels, to be able to have every height in balance. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave us a like or share the video. If you have further questions, don't hesitate, just write us a comment. We will be back with the answer as soon as possible. Hope to see you maybe at any dance floor around the world, and have a good time, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.